on, everybody? Today I wanted to talk a bit to you about lawn mowing. So we're at our grandparents' out in Chandler, and today we wanted to show you the grass, but they haven't mowed in years. How did they do this without a lawnmower? Well, let's show you the two lawnmowers that they use. So here's two of them right here. We got two Sulcata Tortoises.
Get down next to them so they can see exactly how big they are compared to you. I get behind them.
So they haven't mowed their grass in forever, but these two have, and that one over there, have maintained the grass so that they never have to mow it. But they also, one problem with them is they can knock down trees because they're very clumsy and big. So I want to get the tortoise if you had young trees, but if you
kind of have to protect them. So yeah. my parents put stakes around their fruit trees.
So now, but once you got stakes and stuff around it, it should be safe. But they are the third largest tortoise in the world, so that's like the only problem. But if you don't want to have to mow your lawn, I definitely recommend them. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.